Hi, I'm Mike from Family Handyman. When facing an electrical issue, it's easy to jump to conclusions, but oftentimes you can repair the problem without even lifting a tool. So before making that expensive phone call to a repairman, here's some easy things to try. First things first is checking your GFCI outlets. The GFCI outlets are special outlets that have a built-in circuit breaker protection. If something happens down the line, like a short or an overload, it will cause that to break, and then all the outlets beyond that won't work. Sometimes it's as easy as pressing the button to reset this GFCI, and then you're good to go. So if it's not the GFCI, we're going to check the electrical panel to see if it's a tripped circuit breaker. So down here at the electrical panel, you'll know you have a tripped circuit when one of the breaker handles don't line up with the rest. To turn it back on, firmly push it into the off position and then back on. Now if it continues to trip, you know you have a short in the line somewhere. You could go around and check all the receptacles, the lights, and the switches for any loose connections in the wires, but that becomes a big job, so it's probably time to call an electrician. For more tips, hints, and tricks, head to familyhandyman.com.